Ben and Katie, and these are our two kids, Evie and Charlotte, and our dog Dakota. Last year, we built our dream house in Austin, Texas. We moved across the country, and right as we were getting settled into our new home, the pandemic hit. We've been home for the last 6 months doing all the quarantine things. We made our own sourdough starter, made our own bread, the kids have been doing remote learning, and we watched all of Netflix. Seriously, all of it. But now we have to get out of this house. So we're packing it up and we're gonna head back to California where we're gonna visit with family and just get a change of scenery. And we decided that we were gonna vlog it all. I'm not sure why, we don't know what we're doing, but it's gonna be fun. And we just wanna have something that we can look back on this crazy time. And we decided that we were gonna share it with all of you.
And we can't wait to get out of this freaking house.
Yes, we're so ready.
So we decided we were going to start a vlog. The only problem is neither Katie nor I have ever vlogged before. So we weren't quite sure what we need to get started. We did some research on Amazon, ordered some stuff, it came to the house, and we quickly learned I cheaped out, which is pretty common for me because I'm pretty cheap. So after unpacking our first go around, we tested it all out, kind of discovered it was all crap. So we packed it all back up, sent it back, and now what we have here is round 2. So we're going to kind of quickly show you what our vlog setup is going to be. Number 1, flexible mount tripod. Number 2, microphone, which we're not using right now, so excuse the audio. Number 3, a light. Number 4, external hard drive. And most importantly, number 5, my new baby, our drone. So I'm super excited for this drone. It has a lot of cool features. We ordered another drone initially, took it up into the air, tested it out. Quality was not what we wanted, so thankfully, it safely landed, packed it back up, sent it back to Amazon, and then reordered this one. I cannot wait to go give this one a test. Got the new drone set up. Now I have to learn how to use it. I'm gonna go do some test runs.
Next week we leave on our 30-hour drive to California. Our kids have literally never been in the car for longer than 5 hours at a time. So it's going to be interesting, but it's going to be fun and I'm excited for it, but I can't even actually think about that yet because right now I just have to be focused on all the things that need to get done before you leave on a trip. So we have to clean the house, do everybody's laundry, pack everybody up, and just get organized so that we can fit everything that we're gonna need for the next month into an SUV. So now I gotta get started.